first thing you want to do is open up Articulate Storyline. It could be 360 or Storyline 3. We're going to go to the Players tab, and for this particular project, let's get rid of the menu, get rid of the title. We can also get rid of the resources, but I kept it here. And slide dimensions, you want to make sure it's widescreen. Mine's defaulted to widescreen. And we want to create, we want to download a video asset. My favorite, or one of my favorites, is pexels.com. This is a free site. And go to the videos, and this particular module is going to be related to travel and training, or travel training. So we're going to pick videos related to travel. Here I'm browsing around. A lot of the time you're going to be spending time just searching for assets. And finally I found one. It's this airplane one here. We're going to click on it. Then it's going to automatically download. That's just an ad. So find the video in your computer, wherever it is. It's probably in your downloads folder. And make sure you know where the video is. And then we're going to import that video into Articulate Storyline. And the way you import it, you go to the Insert tab, Video, and find the video that we just downloaded. Find the location, and then it's going to import. Next, we're going to create a rectangle that covers the entire slide. This is like our intro transition that kind of slides down. Go to Format Shape, get rid of the line color. Fill color, we're going to make it white. Okay, right now it's covering the video, but we're going to animate it out or down. So go to Add Motion Path, go down, and drag it all the way down so that the rectangle goes off of the screen. Just like that. Now we want to change the timing to 1 second, and then the path options we want to do in and out. We're going to preview just to make sure that it's working properly. And you can see that the white rectangle goes down, and it's like a good transition in to the video. This video actually had like an airplane sound, so we're going to edit the video and just get rid of that noise. Decrease the volume and click Save and Close. Now it's going to encode it. Just give it some time. Then we're going to create another shape that covers the entire video. We're going to get rid of the outline. And this time we're going to color it black. And this is just going to make the video a little darker so that the text is more visible. And just adjust the transparency to your liking. Mine shows it at 25%. Then we're going to start adding some text. Before we do that, we're going to adjust the timing of that. Let's make it come after the transition. And then we're going to create an animation, an entrance animation to it. We're going to do a fade in. Actually forgot to click on fade in. Make sure the animation duration is 1, and then we're going to preview. And there we go. Next, we're going to add in the text. Go to Insert Text Box, drag it over to the slide, and type in your title. Here we're going to do travel, safety, and security. We're going to align it to the center, change the color to white. Let's make it bigger. And then we want to change the font to something better than Open Sans. We're going to do Montserrat Heavy or black. Oops. Let me do that again. Again, highlight it, change it to Montserrat Black. Make it a little bigger. We're going to adjust the, I believe that's called the kerning, the spacing between the two lines. Go to multiple. We're going to do 0.9. All right, adjust it to your liking. Now we're going to add an entrance animation. Let's have it fly in from top. Preview. And the title flies in from the top. Looking good. Let's keep going. We're gonna duplicate that text, and then we're gonna change the word to e-learning course, and then we're also gonna change the font to just Montserrat regular, decrease the size. This is like a subtitle, subheading. Drag it down a little bit. Let's align it to center of the canvas. Adjust the timeline to come after the title text. Then we're going to add another shape for the button, for the start button. Rounded rectangle. Let's make it a bit more oval. Adjust the sizing a little bit. Change the color, something a little brighter. It could be any color you like. And create start, or put the start text, change the font. Move the timeline a little bit to show after e-learning course text comes. We're gonna do an entrance animation of grow. Then we're also gonna do the hover over state, so that when the mouse hovers over, it reacts. So we're going to change that to white. Let's change the text to blue using the eyedropper. Change the line color. Let's change the line color to blue. Oops, that's the fill color. The line color to blue. Change the weight of the line to be a little thicker. Time to preview. Oh, we don't want the e-learning course to fly in from the top, so we're going to adjust that. Let's have that fly in. That one's going to be a grow. The e-learning course, we want that to fly in from the bottom. Preview again. Or this time we're going to publish to see what it looks like in the publish format. Let's click on it. Looks good. Fading in, title coming out, button, but we want to get rid of this previous and next button because the cover slide has a button that says start, so we don't need it to be redundant. So we're going to click the gear icon, uncheck the next and previous buttons for just the cover slide, and then we're going to publish again. Let's preview, and we got our cover slide. Looks good. And if you have a cover slide like this, I can assure you most stakeholders, if not all, will say the course is starting off with a good impression.